Hello guys, this is how to enable or disable apps drawer on Xiaomi Redmi phones. Basically, you want to open up the settings of your Xiaomi phone and then you want to just scroll down until you get to the home screen settings over here. Select that. Now go ahead and click on home screen. And from over here, you can see that the option selected is classic. And so to enable apps drawer, you just want to go ahead and click on with apps drawer. You can as well customize how you want it to look from over here. For instance, you can change the app drawer background from over here. You can as well manage the app category and even change how you want it to scroll from over here, whether you want the A to Z or just the original layout. Once you're done, you can come back to your Xiaomi phone now. And if you swipe over from the top, you're going to see now that app drawer has been enabled on your Xiaomi phone. If you want to turn it off, the process is exactly the same. Just click on settings, home screen, and then to home screen over here, go ahead and select classic and you're good to go. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.